The importance of play based learning in early childhood education. Introduction. When I begin my presentation, I want to explain that play based learning can take many different forms, such as guided play, free play, or intentional teaching through play. According to Taki Arhin 2023, these forms of play are essential in early childhood education. In this presentation, I am going to talk about why play based learning is so important for children's learning and development. I will also connect my discussion with different theoretical perspective to provide a deeper understanding. My aim is to show that play is not just fun but a central way through which children grow, learn, and enough with the world. Theoretical perspective of play. Here I will introduce the surplus energy theory. This theory suggests that children play because they have extra energy that need to be released. Season 2020 play is therefore not a waste of time but a natural biological need. From an educational perspective, this means children must be given plenty of opportunity to run, jump, climb, and engage in energetic activities. When children release this energy through play, they can return to their academic learning more focused and ready to participate. So the role of educator is to provide time and the safe space of this free energetic play. Continuation. Now I will explain the relaxation theory. Lazarus and Patrick suggested that play helps people restore energy lost during work or learning. Bianca 2020. For children, this means that after engaging in demanding or structured tasks, play provides a physical and mental changes of peace. When educators include play breaks or playful activities in the idea, it allows children to recharge. This helps them return to their lesson with better focus and energy. Play, therefore, is not a separate from learning but an important tool that supports it. Continuation. Next, I want to discuss the psychokinetic theory. This theory explains that play allows children to express hidden wishes, emotions, or conflict that they may not be able to express in real life. In other words, play becomes a symbolic language for children to communication their inner feelings. Sorena and Fleer 2024. For educators, this means carefully observing children's free play can provide insight into their emotions and desires. By creating a safe and supportive play environment, educators can help children develop emotional resilience and self regulation. This highlights the important link between play, emotion growth, and well being. Significance of play based learning. At this stage, I will emphasize that play based learning supports children in developing essential skills across social, emotional, cognitive, and physical areas. Minwasa and Dedgar 2024. These skills are crucial for lifelong success. For example, through play, children can experiment, problem solve, and gain a deeper understanding of concept. Unlike rote learning, play encourages curiosity and active participation. This approach nurtures a love for learning as children enjoy what they are doing and remain engaged. Continuation. Play based learning is recognized globally because of its holistic benefit. Riska Storeras ETA 2025. It helps children build cognitive skills such as reasoning and problem solving, and it also strengthens social and emotional development. For enhance in dramatic play activity like house play, children learn to collaborate, negotiate, and express empathy. Similar language and literacy skills grow when children create and share stories in play. Even mathematical and scientific concepts can be learned through playful experience like water play with measuring cups, where children grasp the idea of measurement and volume. This shows how play develops multiple domains at once. Implementation of various types of play. One major type of play is free play, where children take full control of their activities. Mohan ETL 2022. This type is strongly linked with the surplus energy theory. In free play, educators step back, giving children space, time, and freedom to choose. And for example, when children use cupboard boxes to build a spaceship and assign role to each other, they are practicing imagination, social negotiation, and problem solving. Free play is essential because it allows children to take ownership of their learning and creative and meaningful ways. Continuation. Other important form is dramatic play. In this type, children act out real or imaginary situation. Alabari and Aljarini 2020 educators can spot dramatic play by sitting at themed by corners like a grocery store, a hospital, or a house. These scenarios help children practice languages, skill development, empathy, and understand social roles. For example, in house play, children may take on the role of parent or a child learning about relationship and responsibilities. Dramatic play is powerful for building both social and emotional skill alongside academic learning. Continuation. The next type is guided play, which lies between free play and direct instruction. Nabitha Gita and Gravit 2024. In guided play, educators set up material and environments with specific learning goals in mind, but children still explore freely within that space. For example, placing measuring cups and containers in a sensory table allows children to play while also learning mathematical ideas like measurement and volume. This approach ensures that play remains engaging and fun while also supporting targeting learning outcomes. Conclusion. To conclude my presentation, I want to highlight that play based learning is a crucial foundation for early childhood education. Its success depends on how educators use in their teaching different types of play, such as free play, dramatic play, and guided play. Each bring a unique benefit to children's development. Together, they support children's holistic growth across physical, cognitive, social, and emotional domains. Ultimate play based learning not only builds essential skills but also fosters a love for learning that stays with children throughout their lives.